What's up? Good morning. We got my bad. Pre-market news today. It is Thursday 16th, 5:30 market news or 8:30 New York time. They kind of have that this whole week. It's a little kind of weird trading with it because we always have that huge 8:30 news candle. I'm guessing we're gonna have it again today. No, we didn't. Okay, that's kind of cool. So we'll probably have just volatility. We don't have to trade at the huge, but usually 8:30 means we have this huge news candle that we have to trade with. But that's the 8:30 news, and looks like we already took data low and data high. But going back to based off of what I wanted from last night, I was saying how price reacts. We got on the 15-minute into this little range is going to indicate where we want to go. I thought this was going to hit. Turns out we didn't. Turns out we just rallied. So basically, this is Asia session right here. It did nothing, kind of just consolidating, going lower. London, so post Asia, we took out PM low right here. This is our PM low from yesterday. We swept that out. It's like there's a little bit of an SMT there. Swept that out. What does that look like on the 1 minute? It's a decently good low. Came back, turtle soup this low. There's another SMT there. Rallied higher off of that after that sweep. SMT, inverse all these imbalances. Displaced really strongly through this daily. Put in a high in London session. Thing is, ES. What just happened? ES took all of these. NQ didn't, but I don't think that SMT has too much to worry. We have too much to worry about. I bet you that SMT is from this bullish SMT. So I wouldn't look too far into that. This 1 hour supporting price, 4 hour. We hit that 4 hour supported price. So we didn't get that other 4 hour, but we made a new 4 hour and got it. Or the 4 hour that we made, we got 1 hour supporting price. It didn't inverse it. So yeah, very bullish order flow right now. Respecting all these bullish imbalances. We did inverse this, it looks like, but I bet you that was just to come down to here. Daily, we kind of ran through on these higher time frames. So I was looking for trades past that, most likely. It looks like we just inversed this 50-minute. We have lots of low resistance liquidity here. I think externally our draw. Guess it could be up here. Here's the 15. A draw would just be somewhere up here to these liquidity pools, this daily. Is there like an unfilled or something? I guess, but it's SMT. So you'd say this. But if we do decide to go bearish today, I would need strong CISD below these candles, like the 5-minute, like below here. What was I saying? Yeah, strong close below here, and running through like something like this that we've been reacting off of. Right now I'm just gonna stay bullish. London high, maybe target unfilled 15-minute. I want to see this generated liquidity to be for manipulation. Something like that. We have, this is all pre-market. Yellow folder, 10 a.m., but we'll just make it more volatility. Yesterday, I think that PM trade. I mean, I think I overthought it. I still have around 2% left to maximum loss limit. 'Cause it was trailed. What did I have? If you look at it, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 winning weeks in a row. Like you're bound to have a losing week. If I stuck to my rules and just left that trade on that I took yesterday and trusted myself, this would have been at around up 100. Not even up. I would have been up around 500 on this day. So it was like a $900,000 trade. Would have made back this, and up a little bit on the week. So I think just not doubting myself, even if I am on a losing day. So I have that rule for a reason. Like, I can still take a trade after I lost, but I can't take one after I won. Here's open. We want manipulation lower. This is perfect. We have this 5-minute is about the only imbalance. I'd want equilibrium. What is this? Why is it moving? Is my data fast? Alright, good. Okay, we have SMT already. Already have SMT. So this is telling me ES wants to push higher. Just off the bat. You have to make an imbalance though. What is this? Bro, why is my data speed so lagged? What is happening? Fast. Privacy. Hotkeys. Alright, the SMT is still holding. It's insane. Holy. Bro, ES isn't even moving. This whole leg is SMT. ES isn't even moving down below this low, and we're already take the whole range low. That's actually so gnarly. Alright, now I need some internal structure. We don't need to go lower. We don't need to go lower. Yeah, ES looks super bullish. I've never seen it that. That's a huge difference in correlation right there. It's already, ES is up here. This is what we want to be our turtle soup of the manipulation model. It's like Justin Werland's favorite model. Turtle soup, so this is the manipulation. SMT got put in place. It's optional. Now we'd want some sort of inverse or CISD. Confirm bullishness. And then dependent on how this recovers. Is it a V-shaped recovery or not? We're in the 3-minute. Like if we got the 3-minute inverse, where do you put your stop? Put it somewhere here. An order block or something. Bro, why is it lagging? So you could enter off this inverse here. Could get a 5-minute. You can enter off this inverse right here. And depending on your rules, like immediately go break even, 9 points up. Go at this internal, I'm just sketched out because the past like few days, like Tuesday, we got break even. It was a trade very similar to this, even better. It was like data high, London high, 5-minute inverse SMT turtle soup, bullish. We got break even, and it went super bearish. ES is what's making me very bullish. Oh, here's a decent partial. Unfilled 15-minute. If I risk 500, I still have 4 trades to lose before I lose the account. So that's what I want to try and risk today. My goal is just to end the week, hopefully break even. And then I got, 3 weeks? I'd have to make 1,200 a week-ish. Alright. This 5-minute inverse is clean, but check nowhere to put the stop. There's a CISD right there. What Justin Werland does sometimes is like once you see this SMT get put in, you just put on like a fourth of your position, because then if you do enter all the way up here, it'll make your fill instead of like here, it'll make it like here. Something we don't want either is ES to hit this internal high and reverse off of it. But you want the CISD to hold. Bullish. I don't love that. If we're bullish, I don't see why we need to go lower than this, especially with the SMT we put in place. That equal lows. Guess we took the low. Okay. If we inverse this 1 hour, then I'll look bearish. We are coming down to a previously rejected 1 hour and 4 hour. I think we'll react off of these. Yeah, this 1 hour is kind of a condition right here. Okay, that SMT invalidated. S&P at these lows. 1 hour is being held bullish still. 4 hour got hit by ES, being held bullish. If we are bearish, we've already gotten this low, we should inverse this 1 hour to show bearish market structure. If we don't, I mean, I'm not going to flip my bias, but bullish wouldn't look great still. But right now, I'd say bullish market structure is still holding. And ES just wanted to hunt that low. You call that the manipulation. Now this 5 minute is previously rejected. Now we have this 3 minute. I want to see some sort of CISD above here. I want to see this 3 minute get closed through. I don't have the 4 minute. $55 stop with 6 micros. A 50 stop with 6 micros is $600. Dang, actually a lot. Let's do like 5. Three minutes gonna give us that CSD and the inverse. I would do a 50 stop. Because we'd still have this CSD to hold. Or we're just gonna continue lower and inverse this 1 hour. 10 a.m. should tell us what we need to know about price. This 3 minute on its own, I feel like wouldn't be enough confirmation because it could easily just be inversing to go to this imbalance. So CISD with that would be way better confirmation. I didn't realize we hit that. This was that low we manipulated overnight. Which came back exactly to that level. Looks like we might inverse this. It's not good. I really don't want to take shorts. Just because of how much we've been rejecting all of these. And I don't see any great... I guess, yeah, shorts to the 4 hour unfilled wouldn't be horrible. But just because we've been rejecting like this 1 hour, these imbalances, looked like we manipulated that low. I think if we do inverse this 1 hour, then we want to come down to this 4 hour. Like I was saying yesterday, like that was a pretty good target. So if we do inverse this 1 hour, which we will, okay, my bias is now flipped. No longer am I looking long. I want shorts now. I want to see a pullback, some sort of pullback into equilibrium, something. I was muted. I was saying, now that I'm bearish, because we inverse the 1 hour, I want equilibrium or something to get tapped into. Pull back to equilibrium. I don't want to just run straight to the 4 hour. If the 4 hour gets hit, we really don't have a lot of targets below. I guess you could target this. What is this? The open candle from yesterday, or from, yeah, yesterday. The low we made off of open. It's actually not a bad, but below that, I don't see much. So I'm just gonna wait, see if we can get a pullback. Manipulate these highs as equal highs. Yeah, I'll be back. Alright, this is what we want, a little bit higher, move higher. Take these equal highs and move lower. I want to open up a something right here. Alright. Sweep the equal highs. All we have is that 1 minute below. That's huge stop. Thing is, high time frame. It looks like we still could be bullish, just sweeping these lows. The thing is, if we were bullish, I don't see why we would have needed to sweep those lows. So we manipulated. Now we're in the 15-minute. Dude. Just the fact that we inversed that 1 hour made it lower probability. Like we could have just gone, wicked it, and come back and not had to inverse this 1 hour. This 1 hour is still holding bullish. I feel like I'm pretty split. Rejecting all these lows. Man. Like we're rejecting all of these. Then we decide to, that 1 hour inverse is kind of cooking me. I mean, we're still holding this bullish. I need to see a different inverse go bullish to flip back. For now, I feel like I'd still be bearish though. This 4 hour still holding bullish. And this 1 hour. Then we just inverse this bearish. $15-minute holding bearish. Bearish, I want to see CISD here. Inverse of that 1 minute. I don't know. My bias is pretty split right now. It's it's not super clear. Cause it's just there's P arrays holding in opposite directions. This inverse is holding bearish. This imbalance is holding bullish. This imbalance is holding bullish. Then we had all of this bearish price action displacement. This low is making it just confusing because there's no real good condition except inversing this stuff. But should we have inversed this if we were bearish already? This right now, we're rejecting this 15-minute. We swept the equal highs. We inverse this 1 hour. We're about to get another inverse. This would be, I feel like, a CSD. Going break even right there. big time me, why don't you? I'm streaming right now, actually. Yo. What? What AMD, bro? What are you talking about, man? Oh, the long? You break even? Bro, the bias I feel like was so confusing, bro. We inversed that in the beginning. They were looking so nice, bro, and then we just bullshit come down all the way. Inverse this 1 hour. That was my condition too, and then we sweep the lows and reverse bullish. Yeah, and then SMT. We had SMTs up the wazoo. I just didn't want to take anything, bro. It was so confusing. I'm just not taking anything when it's confusing. Hey, to all the viewers out there, if you don't know your bias, don't trade. What? What? I was, bro. Cause I had that. I was that 1 hour was my condition, so we inversed it. And I was like, all right, I'll look bearish, and then we come and sweep it. And I'm like, all right, it's kind of looking bullish here. We sweep these equal highs. I'm like, all right, well, I think we're still bearish to this 4 hour unfilled. Cause that's what I wanted yesterday. And then we just come back, and I'm like, yeah, I don't think this price action is favorable. We'll see, bro. I'm so mad. What? Yesterday, bro, I could have made my whole week's losses back on that one trade that I FOMO'd out of, bro. The long to the unfilled daily yesterday. Just don't watch my stream. I can't screen share, I don't think. Can I? You see my screen? The trade? No. What? Oh, on Streamlabs? Hello? What trade? Yeah, guys, don't listen to this kid. Longing this 3 minutes, hella risky. Because we rejected the top 3 minute already, so yeah, I don't want you guys to be influenced by this kid. I'm hanging up. Just don't look at my trade that you wanted to see. It's all good. Oh my gosh. No, I'm gonna take a chop 3 minute. You know what? Bro, why is my doggy here? Sunny. Sunny needs to go out. I'll show you that real quick. Yeah, it's the one that PB took. I think it was right here. It was right off of open. Right here, we inversed right here. We were rejecting a 15 minute and 5 minute. But it was super low volatility. I already lost that morning, and I was like, ES had hit the 4 hour over here, and it was wicking the 4 hour. We had a bearish SMT, so I was just kind of I don't know, I should have just stuck to my rules and just took it, kept it on, because my TP was literally, I think it was right here. What? It was right here. I was targeting the unfilled daily. Calm your tits, bro. You're just mad. Alright, this was the exact trade that I took. It was this. I was targeting this unfilled daily. And we literally hit it to the tick. Yeah, I cried. Let's see this kid's trade, bro. I'm low-key off for the day. I'm hanging up, bro. I don't need your little bias conflicting. Alright, see ya. Alright. That's why we don't trade on call. Conflicting biases. Oh my gosh. What do you want? I need to take my dog out. I'll be back. It's your own trade? Your own trade? Not a signal. What are you up on the account? When do you think you're gonna take like a payout? You take what? 1,000 out? Then you have 2K buffer. Why are you risking 500? Risk like 300 to 400. Alright, I'll be back. Hold on. What are you looking at, bro? With Flumen, bro, yeah. I literally invited you and you're like, yeah, yeah. I said, do you want to hop on call with Greg Bratt? And you're like, yeah, yeah. No text back. Literally last night. Then why are you blaming me? I said, I'll call you in a bit with Greg Bratt. And you said, oh, sorry, Massa. And then you just never called me back. Yeah. He's not. He's just looking at mine, bro. He opened a 50K. He made like 300. He like he blew the 150K. What's so funny? You never blown a trade before? Blown an account before? Hey guys, so this kid has spent over. I'm kidding. Should we share the bank statements with the viewers? I'm gonna be honest. You were past your last dollar, bro. All right, we're gonna do some demo. We're gonna do some demo full porting on the 1 second chart. Bro, I have hotkeys now. Wait, do you see my screen? I'm gonna go in. Can I not, boss? I know kids are, bro. What happened to my hotkeys? Oh, you're excited to trade. Yeah, nice. At 7:40? It's actually 20 minutes. Alright, you wanna watch me full port the demo? Alright, we're out there. No, let me set my hotkey, bro. What? Bro, I wanna do 5 cons. 5, there we go. Let's do 10. Bro, get rid of this. Turn that off, bro. Alright, free money.
Sonny, stop. No. I can take Sonny out. Go.
I did. I just took her out, Mom.
Oh, look at her.
No, Mom. No. You can go into a negative balance. Bang. That's how you make money. Go, Sonny. Go. It's trendline liquidity. Why don't you take it, bro? I can't. You're 150 bucks. Go, Sonny. I'm lucky hopping off until PM. I'm not even gonna trade PM, bro. I literally don't have a class I could trade PM. Bro, what? Hey, none of that on this channel. I'm in. Bro, did you see Patty's like gooning video? Try like 7 months ago. Yeah. Maybe you short your own. Alright, I'm leaving, bro. I'm gonna go get ready. No. I'm hanging up, bro. I'll see you. Man. Bad influence. That's all I'll say. Alright. Good trade. Good, not trade. Good day. Horrible PA. We stuck through it though. Patience. Don't feel forced to take a trade. Just analyzing, observing. And I mean, it wasn't dumb clear. We had some conflicting PD arrays that made our bias just pretty unclear. And yeah, that'll probably be it for the day. So hopefully tomorrow we can get a little something. If not, we're still fine on the account. We still have 2K until we hit maximum loss limit. So I'm gonna do around 500 per trade. That's 4 trades in a row that I have to lose, which I don't see that happening. Especially we're already down on the week. So tomorrow, hopefully, I can make some of it back. Lock in these last 3 weeks.